Feeling strong enough. I think I've had too much. Tired of this fucking fucking hiding stuff from my mom. These habits I'm not so proud of. Sing it!